Hey guys, what's going on? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. So today I want to talk about Litecoin and specifically when to buy Litecoin. What is the price point you should be buying at? So you can see right here, you can see the chart. You probably know what's going on with Litecoin. And we'll actually look at the Litecoin and Bitcoin. Let's talk about those both for a second, okay? So here's one of the things I want you to understand is when people, especially new investors or new they're just going to jump on the train because they see everyone's talking about Bitcoin and Litecoin and cryptocurrencies. What's going to happen is people are going to jump over to Bitcoin and be like, yes, I want to buy Bitcoin. And then they see this price, $10,000. What most people don't know, the biggest misconception is you have to buy one Bitcoin. You have to buy one Litecoin. That's not the case, and you guys know that. But most people don't. Most people think, oh, I don't have $10,000 to buy one Bitcoin, so I have to buy Litecoin. That's not necessarily the case. So that's what's going to drive people to buy, the lower end cryptocurrencies, the cheaper stuff. Okay. Not only that, look at this. This is just today. Or let's go look in just today. So today, January 22nd, 2018. So you see right here, it dropped over it dropped over $1,000. It actually just went up just the past hour or so, but it dropped about $1,000 in one day. That's a big drop. Most people don't want to deal with that. So because of their worries, they're going to go straight to Litecoin. Okay, Ethereum. It's kind of the same thing. Well, and you see it's following about the same path as Bitcoin. Well, same thing. They're going to invest $1,000, but they have the potential to lose, 50 or $100. That's usually not what happens with Litecoin. It has, it slowly goes down or it kind of goes up, back and forth. So when to buy Litecoin? That's what I want to answer right now. So when to buy it? First off, I'm gonna tell you right now, I think it's gonna go under $100 within the next month. I think where is it right now? 170. Yeah, 171 right now. Okay. I think it will drop below $100 within the next month. So by the end of February, I see Litecoin being under $100. Where am I buying? I'll probably be buying anywhere between 85 to like $60. I think it's gonna settle somewhere right about there, probably right about 60 to $75. Now that's just my guess based on looking at some stuff. Okay, doing a little bit of research. If you don't do your research, you probably should. Don't just buy based on what I say or what anyone else says. I'm definitely not a cryptocurrency expert. Okay. Yes, I have been, dabbling in it and been making some money, but I'm no expert by any means. So what I just want to tell you is when to buy. I'd buy once it drops about another, $90. Once it drops to right about $80, anything under 100, you're gonna make a great deal. It's gonna be a great deal. Anything right now, it's still a great deal, but I think you can sit back and wait just a little bit longer. Don't get too don't get too eager to jump in because I think it's going to drop. Okay, I think it will drop based on what I've read, based on what I've seen from some of the charts, things that are going on recently in the markets around the world. So I do believe it's going to drop. I do believe Bitcoin is going to drop as well. I think Bitcoin, right now where it's at, 10,300, I think it's going to get down to the sevens. Honestly do. I think it will get down to the sevens, if not a little bit lower than that, probably within the next couple months. But where do I think Litecoin is headed? I think Litecoin could easily exceed $1,000 sometime within 2018. That is why I say anything under $100, even right now, it's a good investment. I'm not saying go cash out your 401k and go pull out any retirement money and put it all into Litecoin or a cryptocurrency. What I'm saying is I think it would be a great investment. It would be a great opportunity if you get in like right around 100 or less, because I think it should go to about 1800 at some point. Okay, 1800 to 2100 at some point within 2018. Now, don't quote me on that. That is just my guess, based on my experience with everything, the financial market, everything. Okay, so again, don't quote me on that, but I do think Bitcoin is a great way you can make money. Bitcoin is also a great way, Ethereum, any of the cryptocurrencies. There are some that are doing extremely well right now. Today is not the best day. on the markets, but it is what it is. Okay, we can't be picky. Okay, now one thing I do just want to say is if you don't know, how to read charts, spend the time looking at that. Look into it because that's going to help you understand when to get in, when to get out, when there's going to be a dip, when it's going to pull back, what's going to happen when new money's coming in. Okay, you can see right here. I know there's a bunch of new money that came in right about here. Okay, that's why it shot up like it did. And that's the thing. People weren't moving from Bitcoin to Litecoin either. So you got to be aware of that. Where was the new money coming in, or where was the money coming from? It's mostly new money. Mostly new money. People dumping in because they can't afford Bitcoin, because they can't afford one Bitcoin. But most people didn't know and still don't know you can buy smaller shares. You can buy fractions of a Bitcoin. Most people don't know that, and that's one of the reasons why I see Litecoin, mainly because it's the cheapest option on Coinbase. So that's this one right here. If you have yet to open up an account or anything, I'll put a link below to actually go to coinbase.com, or just go to coinbase.com and sign up. I think it's free to sign up, and you can put money in as slow as you want to, as fast as you want to. But go there, just sign up and be ready. Just be ready for that time. When that time comes, it's like, okay, time to buy is now. It's under $100. I got maybe a week or so before it drops to my price point, and I'm gonna buy. So honestly, I think it will within the next month. It's gonna be under $100, and where I'm buying is I'll be buying anything under 85 bucks. Okay. The reason why is because anything under $85, and if I think it's gonna go to right about 2,000. Okay. So when you're looking at a 25x return, that's not bad. That's not bad for something you spent, $70, $80 on, right? And Litecoin has the cheapest fees, especially over on Coinbase. So go get it if you can. If you can invest in it, great. If you can buy, $100 worth of it every single month, do that. Same thing with Bitcoin. If you can invest, $100 every single month, yeah, it may not be $1,000, $10,000, but at least you're investing into it. Okay, so it's more of a long-term play than a short-term, but at the same time, do something else for short-term income, and then invest a little bit of your profits into the long-term gains of your cryptocurrencies. So, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Like I said, I'm not a cryptocurrencies or Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum expert. I'm just not. Okay, I do this for your personal gain. Okay, I try to build up my assets as much as I possibly can as well, just like you should. And that's it. I'm just trying to give you my take on it. I'm no financial advisor. Okay, so take this any way you want to, but just know, okay, one thing I always say is don't invest. Don't take money that you can't afford to lose. Don't take that money and invest it into cryptocurrencies, into stocks, into businesses, anything like that, because everything, there is risk. If you plan on making money with it, there's probably a risk at some point. So just be aware of that. But like I said, I think it's gonna come back somewhere right around here. Okay, that's where I think it's gonna come. I don't think it's gonna drop back to where it was a year ago. Where is that? That's over in August, but you get the picture. I don't think it's going to drop that far. Okay, you look at it, the year, it's not coming back to $4. Okay, I think it's gonna settle right about $60 to $80. That's where it's gonna sit. Might sit for just a little bit once Bitcoin heads back up. Once there's some changes in the market, people are maybe getting futures and stuff. That's a big thing now. Uh, I think there's gonna be a big change. So if you guys have any questions on it, let me know. If you guys have advice, like I said, I'm not no Bitcoin, no cryptocurrency expert. But if you guys have advice for me, let me know in the comment section below. What advice you have for me, or if really anybody getting into cryptocurrencies and specifically Litecoin, and let me know, when do you plan on buying? Because I'm curious. Am I the only one that thinks it's going to head down to under $100 to around the $60 to $80 mark? Or do you think the same thing as well? So if you guys like this video, want more videos on cryptocurrencies, Litecoin, Bitcoin, any of those, let me know. I am, dabbling with them, like I said, so I will kind of talk to you about what I'm doing, what I'm seeing, maybe where I'm making some money, where I'm losing money. But again, smash the thumbs up button if you want more videos just like that. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next video.